Well, hello there, YouTube. Look what I'm riding, finally. I made an appointment. Like August, the first week of August, maybe August 4th, 5th. I made an appointment to take this in. This saddlebag over here was not opening. And they're known, Spyders, they said they had like 12 of them in there with the same problem. But anyway, I made an appointment about August 4th or 5th to take it in on August 12th. I just got it back today, and it's September 7th. And I called today, and I talked to the guy. I says, you know what? I brought this in on October 12th. And I had his name, and I says, what is today? What is today? And I said, it's September 7th. August 12th. I said it again. So he goes, and he told me, well, I think that they ordered the part and it's the wrong part. I says, yeah, that can't be right. I says, it's just a freaking handle. It's the handle you broke off. Oh, I gotta adjust this light again. I forgot about that. Look at the low beams are just too low. I need to go up higher. But anyway, he goes, well, let me call you back. Let me see what's going on. And he did tell me last time I called, about two or 3 weeks ago, he says, the guy's we got one Spyder tech, and he's got some major jobs back there that he's doing. I said, we had started mine on the 12th, and he just pulled on the handle until he snapped it. So that tells me that's, he's probably not the brightest guy. So anyway, I got it back today, and the first thing I did was walk out there and open the left saddlebag, and it popped open. So all is good. But man, I had a sleepless night last night. I'm thinking, oh, what the heck, they're probably got my Spyder. I brought it in there with like 17,000 miles on it. I couldn't sleep at all. I'm thinking, what if I get it back? It's like 25,000 miles on it, and they rented it. I thought all kinds of crazy stuff. But then I called today, and I was pretty angry. And sure enough, maybe they fixed it today because I was angry. But they called me later on and told me it was, my unit is ready. So I went and picked it up. Oh, another thing I kept thinking, that I couldn't get to sleep last night. I'm thinking, what if somebody took it, and I just put a brand new canine on the back. What if it's bald? You don't have your Spyder for a month, almost a month, 5 days short of a month. You're thinking all kinds of crazy stuff. But it's been so hot. August is just so nasty anyway. So, like I'm doing now, I only ride in the evening when it's a little bit bearable. Can't ride. I rode it home during the day, like at 5:30. It wasn't horrible. It was hot. But I think the next couple of days is going to be like 97, 99. But we're heading up to the house in Caddo Mills Thursday. We finally got windows. We've been up there since June, like several times, 5-6 times since June, taking up stuff, and every time we go up, nothing has been done on our house for 3 months. They're waiting on windows. Well, we finally got windows last week. So the windows are installed, and now the brick guys probably finished up. Oh, what's going on here? The brick guys probably finished up all the brick. So we're going to go up, so we should have, the house should be all bricked and all stoned. Now I'm hoping it's done. And then I'm hoping that they're going to doing insulation. They spray insulation. Once they get all the windows and all the electricity's been done, then they can do the spray foam. And they'll spray foam my shop too. And if they do the spray foam, then they can have all the drywall installed and start putting drywall up. So wishful thinking, wishful thinking, we're supposed to be moved in. We're supposed to close on September 2nd, last week. So I'm kind of hoping at least we can get moved in November. It'll probably be December. But it's kind of crazy. I mean, everybody else had windows, and I think he just dropped the ball on ordering our windows. I mean, really dropped the ball on ordering our windows. But should have some progress now. I'll get some video and shoot some photos with my phone. Bye.